Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the miscellaneous problems of linear equation. This question is very interesting. This happens in our day-to-day life. When we travel, generally this happens. Suppose an adult wants to travel in the train, then what we have to do? We have to book the ticket. So in the night we have to sleep. So they give the berth. So berth price will be different. That is constant for whoever a small child. 10 years child can also take that berth and he can sleep, and the price will be fixed. If the small 2 years child, if we will put him in the berth to sleep, then the charge will be same. If adult will sleep, if adult will take that berth, he will also pay the same charge. But ticket only differs. For adults, suppose they are charging 100 rupees, then for the child it will be half. That is called half ticket. Suppose 100 rupees, then child has to pay 50 rupees for his ticket. So here what is saying, a railway half ticket cost half the full fare. So half ticket will be, the cost of half ticket is what? Half of the full fare. And the reservation charges is same. Reservation means the berth charges will remain same for half ticket as well as the full ticket. So one reserved first class ticket from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. Somebody wanted to travel from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. The first class ticket, full ticket, adults ticket. This is adults ticket will cost how much? 216 along with the berth. Father and the child both wants to visit. Then for him what? Full ticket, and for this boy will be half ticket. And in the night he will sleep. For him also needs one berth, and this boy will also sleep. For him also needs one berth. So berth, the where you sleep, that is constant. So there he has to pay how much? 327. For him only, for the adult only to pay how much? 216 rupees. If both will go, then 327. So let me give an example. So this example I will tell you, I have written and I solved, and this sum you will solve yourself. Pause the video and solve this, and then match with my solution. Okay, suppose the full ticket is how much? 200 rupees, and half ticket will be half. So 200 half is what? 100 rupees. Then the reservation charges is constant. So in train how much? The berth charge is how much? 50 rupees only. That is constant reservation. That means he can sleep. Yeah, that seats reservation is 50 rupees. Okay. So in this case, one adult if he moves, then he has to pay how much? This full ticket plus reservation charges 200 plus 50, 250 only. He has to full ticket plus reservation. This is full ticket plus reservation charges is 200 plus 50 is 250. He has to pay. Okay, first case. Second case what? The father will go, so full ticket he will take, and for him he has to sleep. So reservation charge, a berth charge will be there, plus the child's ticket, that is half of his ticket, and plus for him the reservation charges. This much he has to pay. So full ticket how much is there? 200, and reservation for the adult is how much? 50, and for the child the full ticket, half ticket is how much? 200's half is 100 rupees. 100 plus reservation charge is 50. So total is what? 200, 100, 300, 50, 50, 100. Then 400 he had to pay. This is the actually happens. So now here what we don't know, what is the price of the full ticket and what is the price of reservation. So let's do this. We know, according to this we shall try to do. Here I said, you see full ticket plus reservation is how much? 250. Similarly full ticket, reservation, this is father and child for two tickets. Full ticket his reservation. Then for the child's half ticket and his reservation, all together is how much? This is full ticket 200, this is reservation 50, and this 100 is half of 200. Full tickets half is half ticket 100, and this is reservation. All together has 400. This already I explained you. Suppose we don't know the cost of full ticket and the half ticket and the reservation charges. Then what we should do? Let full tickets charge we shall take as 2x, and half ticket charge we shall take as x. So half means it is better. If you take this x, then it becomes x by 2. The calculation will be little difficult. So better to take, when this type of sum comes, you take 2x. Then half you take as x. Then reservation charges is constant. For adult also same. For the minor small children also same. Therefore, we have taken as y. Now first case what? Full ticket with reservation. Full ticket is 2x plus y. Y is the reservation, equals to 250. Isn't it? This 250. This 250 we have written here. Then full ticket with reservation. Isn't it? Then for the father's full ticket and the reservation. Then half ticket, child's half ticket plus reservation all together. So full ticket is what? 2x, and his reservation is y, and half ticket is x, and reservation is y. So that how much is, how much? 400 rupees. So now let's add it. 2x plus x is 3x, and y plus y is 2y, that is 400. Now we have two equation, 2x plus y equals to 250, 3x plus 2y equals to 400. These two equations by elimination method we can do. So here in second equation, what is the coefficient of y? 2 is there. So easily this we can make into 2y, so that the coefficient of y will be numerically equal. So first equation we shall multiply with 2. Here the first, this is 2x plus y equal to 250. This is the first equation, and we multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4x, and 2 into y is 2y. 250 into 2 is 500. This is first equation. Now second equation was 3x plus 2y equals to 400. Now subtract second equation from the first, second equation from the first. First equation is what? 4x plus 2y equals to 500. First equation. Second equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 400. So these two get cancelled. 4 minus 3 is x. 500 minus 400 equals 100. X equals to 100. This is what? Our half ticket. X is our half ticket. Half ticket price has come. Now full ticket we can do multiplied by 2, that is 200. Then substitute this x in equation 1. This is our equation 1. Okay. So in this you substitute 2x plus y equal to 250, and 2 into x is what? 100. So 2 plus y, y. We don't know y. We have to find out y's value. So equals to 250. So 200, 100 into 2 is 200. Y is here 250. Then y, this 200 will go this side. 250 minus y, that is 50. Y equals to 50. Y is our what? Reservation charges. Full ticket is how much? 200, and reservation charge is this 50. Got it? This way we have to do the sum of same. So in this question what is saying? So the first class full ticket we shall take as 2x, and you do yourself. Now do this sum, then pause it, then you see how you did it. Okay. So reservation charges we have taken as y. Half ticket cost will be half of 2x, isn't it? Half of 2x, 2x upon 2, 2x upon 2 is what? X. So x has come. According to the question what is saying, one full first class, full reserved, isn't it? One reserved first class ticket, one reserved first class ticket from Mumbai to Ahmedabad cost 200. So first class reservation ticket is how much? 2x plus y is the reservation charges, that is according to the question we are in, that equals to 216 rupees. In second case what is saying, one full full ticket 2x plus and half plus x and reservation charges y plus y, that equals to how much? 216 and 327. Okay, now this is 327. Yeah, so now this will become 3x plus 2y equals to 327. This is our second equation. This is our first equation. You see the coefficient of y of first equation is it what? 1, and but the coefficient of y in second equation is 2. So if you multiply this first equation by 2, the coefficient of y of both the equation numerically equal. So what we shall do? Multiply equation 1 by 2. That means 2x plus y equals to 216 multiplied by 2. Okay, now 2x plus y equal to 216, 3x plus 2y equals to, so we shall multiply this, multiply first equation by 2, so that numerically both will become same. The coefficient of y will be equal. So 2x plus y equals 216, and you can multiply with 2. So we multiply with 2. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4x plus 2y equals to 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now this is our third equation. Then 3x plus 2y equals to 327. Okay, this is our second equation. Now these two equations what? By elimination method. What we will do? Subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so 4x plus 2y equals to 432, and 3x plus 2y equals to 327. Now subtract it. Okay, now subtract, minus. This is gone, so this one becomes x equals to 7 minus, isn't it? 5, because 4 minus 3 is 1, so this is matching. So 1, then 3 minus 2 is, this is mismatch, 3 minus 2 is 1, therefore 0. Okay, right? This is the x value has come. Now substitute x value in equation 1. Equation 1 is, this one is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. 2x plus y equal to 216. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. So x equals to how much has come? 105. Equation 1 is what? 2x plus y equals to 216. This is our first equation. We can put 2 into 105 plus y equals to 216. So 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, plus y equals to 216. Then y, all are implies. Okay, so y equals to 216. This 210 will come left hand side to right hand. That time it becomes what? Plus 1 will become minus 200. So therefore y equals to 6 rupees. So what is our x? X is our what? Half ticket. Half ticket charges equals to x, that equals to how much has come? 105, and full ticket cost equals to 105 into 2, that equals to 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 210 rupees. And reservation charges, what is that? Y equals to how much is it? Rupees 6. This is the answer. I hope all of you have understood. If you like, please press the like button, and if you want to if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.